Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your deal flow in HubSpot. And trust me, this simple tweak can save you hours of repetitive clicking and leave you more time to actually close deals. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up your deal pipeline so deals advance automatically when key events happen, which means fewer manual updates and a smoother sales process overall. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by locating the deal pipeline settings. When you're in HubSpot, look for the settings icon in the top navigation bar, that little gear symbol. Give it a click. This is basically the control center for everything that's customizable in your HubSpot account. Now, in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen, find the section labeled Objects, and underneath that, click into Deals. Think of objects as the main categories of data in HubSpot: deals, contacts, companies, and we want to zero in on deals today. Once you're on the Deals page, you'll notice a tab called Pipelines. Go ahead and select the pipeline you want to automate. If you have multiple pipelines set up for different products or sales teams, be sure you've got the right one. Pipelines are just the pathways that your deals follow, and customizing them ensures that automation fits your actual workflow. Now, look for the Automate tab. This is where the magic starts to happen. Inside, there's an option that says Move to Next Stage. You'll see a switch you can toggle on. Flipping this on is like telling HubSpot, I'd like you to do some of the work for me. With this, you're essentially giving HubSpot permission to kick deals forward to the next stage when certain things happen, so you don't have to. Let's slow down for a second here, because defining how deals move is the part that really tailors automation to your business. You'll notice spaces labeled From and To. This is where you set up the specific stages you want a deal to move between. Imagine you have a deal in Proposal Sent and you want it to move forward to negotiation when the client responds. You'll plug that in as the From and To. But you're not just choosing stages. You also need to decide what events will be the triggers for the move. HubSpot lets you pick these triggers. Maybe it's when a task is marked complete, a property is updated, or a customer replies to an email. This part might take a few moments to think through, so don't rush. Imagine what would make your process feel seamless and automated. For example, if your team always follows up with a call after a proposal is sent, you could set it up so marking the follow-up call task as done is what nudges the deal into the next stage. At this point, double-check what you've set. Automation works best when it matches how your team really operates, so test out the trigger you've chosen. Don't worry if it takes a bit of fine-tuning. You can always revisit these settings and adjust as your process evolves. The goal here is to take the mundane, repetitive part of deal management and hand it over to HubSpot, so your team's attention stays on building relationships and actually closing sales. And that's it. By setting up these automation settings in HubSpot, you're making your pipeline smarter and your workflow more efficient. If you're new to automation, just remember that every little improvement adds up. Over time, you'll notice deals moving through the pipeline with way less manual effort. Thanks for watching. If this helped streamline your HubSpot workflow, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you got stuck or have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.